Happy birthday. First of all, I will be requesting my esteemed dear teacher Somnath sir to share some of his feelings. So let's have a big round.
Good morning to everyone present here. So today's morale, I would like to quote a verse from Srimad श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्फले संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञान लब्धः शांति अतिरेणाधिगच्छति अभ्यस्तो अश्रद्धधान संस्यात्मा विनश्यति ज्ञान लोकस्य नापरो नासुखं संस्यात्मा. I would like to translate it in English. That means a person who loves to gain knowledge
Need to earn wealth, and from wealth we can do good deed, and by good deed we can be happy in our lives. So whatever we are doing, we should devote ourselves to that work lovingly. Then we can achieve the best for you all. As you are studying, you should put your love to your study, then you can improve surely. This is the moral advice to you all today. Thank you all. So thank you. I express my hearty thanks to my esteemed teacher Somnath sir for sharing these immortal words right now. So I'm not going to take much of time because in the scorching heat you people are standing. I can see this. So the thing is that I have two announcements. The number one is from today up to this completion of the week, we will be observing one Mahotsav. Okay? One Mahotsav. So we will be observing, taking on activities in the last period. So a lot of varieties of activities will be there. So there will be two wings. One is from class 1 to 5, and then another wing is class 6 to 10. And the next one is we will be trying to go close to the felicitation which is going to be held on 15th of this month. Felicitations according to the Sahodaya Eastern Complex. So our toppers, sports toppers also, they will be awarded. There will be a training also for the teachers who will be escorting the students to that meeting. Maybe it will be held on the Shahid Bhavan in Cuttack. So with this, I close this addressing. Now the assembly is dispersed. Thank you very much.
Oh my Lord, show me the way with me all through the day. Make my, oh my Lord, show me the make my hands and legs so strong, so that I shall save the people very long. I do the silver, nor any gold, to fight for truth you make me bold. All through the day.
Good morning, all of you. I am Milanchi Panda from Standard 3 Section B. Today I represent today's place. Today's place is India is my country. I love my country. On Indian time, my brothers and sisters. I shall be proud of his golden cultural heritage. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pulkit Das from Standard 5. I represent today's thought. Today's thought is little learning is dangerous. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Vaishnavi Firdaus from Standard 7. Today's GK. Where is the Gir National Forest located? Right answer. Who was the first Law Minister of Independent India? I repeat my question. Who was the first Law Minister of Independent India? Yes, right answer. Which element is the diamond made of? Right answer. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India?